Hello there, everybody. I have to say that it's been a while since I made some reviews on the DQ Blizzard ice cream treats. So this time it's the Ultimate Cookie Blizzard. Anyways, so let's give this a try and see how it tastes. So anyways, here we go. Mmm, yummy. Mmm, delicious. It tastes like Oreo, Chips Ahoy, and Nutter Butter Cookie. Yep, it tastes like all the mix of cookies. So let's give this one another try. Mmm, yummy. So anyways, guys, I've been thinking about doing some videos about the collection of Nintendo Switch games, or sometimes some DVD or VHS collection. So I've been making some more Blizzard reviews ever since around 2020, and it turns out great. See? There's the cookies over here. Mmm, yummy. Anyways, hopefully they'll come out with some new summertime flavors for the DQ Blizzard and milkshakes. And hopefully they'll bring back the Kit Kat Blizzard treat. There's also good news that the Cotton Candy, Frosted Animal Cookie, and Cotton Candy Blizzard is finally back for the summer, which is good news. Anyways, I highly recommend try this flavor of the Ultimate Cookie Blizzard because it's really yummy, and it also become one of the best flavor that I ever tasted. So yeah. So anyways, if you enjoy this Blizzard flavor, feel free to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see what I can do. Anyways, I'll do my best to make more ice cream treats reviews than ever before. And maybe one day in the future, hopefully I'll work on some movie reviews or something like that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. How about if we get a 1,000 views, so that way I'll work on some more and hopefully might reach another milestone for the subscriber special video. Anyways, see you next time in the next video, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.